Hello everybody, it's Mike, and we're back to run some trains today. That's all today. It's Steam Sunday, so today's all about some steamers, and we are about to get in a lot of trouble. We're going to have 4 MTH Premier steamers on the track, and I'm going to live dangerously and turn on all the smoke units at once with Christy at home. Watch and see how quick she yells down, "Turn off the smoke units!" So, with no further delay, let's check out the 4 engines that we'll be running on the track today. Hello everyone, it's Mike. Welcome back to the train room. I'm just down here having some fun, running some of my favorite trains. I haven't even ran in a long time or even gotten out of the box. So I'm going to review 4 cool MTH Premier locomotives that are in my lineup that I love and just don't run very often. So this is sort of cool. And I have a vintage video of one of them playing in the background. What is it? Of course, it is a New York Central pacemaker. So, cool stuff. And right now, the only sound you're going to hear, for the sake of being able to talk, is the wheels rolling on the track. So there's my MTH Premier PS2 that I bought off a friend, Niagara, dual headlight, cab 6025. Pulling 31 New York Central pacemaker cars. Ooh, I should reverse my caboose like that one was. So it looked like my caboose running them backwards on the video. So, all different road numbers. And I would have added all my pacemaker stuff on the track, but I decided that if I add on the other 11 cars I have, look where the locomotive is in reference to the caboose. We would be almost touching. That's the bad part about running at home on a 21.5 foot long by 8 foot wide layout. And we're running the train on the 090 loop. This is an awesomely detailed model. It has some detail features on it that aren't even included on my Vision Line Lionel one, which is also a great rendition of the locomotive. It's up there on the shelf there. Maybe someday I'll put them side by side if some of you don't have both. Obviously, the Vision Line has some cool features like the water scoop effect, whistle steam, top-off valve. So, $2,000. Well, I think I bought it for $1,800 or $1,700 brand new back in the day. And this guy here only cost me a whopping 500 bucks. You can usually pick these up somewhere around 700, 650 to 700, a pretty fair price. A lot of people get scared of the PS2 5-volt board. This still has PS2 at 5-volt board in it and running like a champ. Alright, so next up, on the next loop over, we have an MTH Premier Pennsylvania Q2. This is a PS2 also. Coming around the mountain here. And I have the coal hoppers, the By Warbine coal hopper cars out of the J1 Premier Specialty Freight set and its caboose. Then another cool car that I just bought is this Cotton Belt car that represented the 75,000 PS1 boxcar, and it has all the names of the railroads that purchased PS1 boxcars. So I bought that to go with my Cotton Belt Hobo boxcar there, so you can hear making all kinds of noises. Then we got my typical 4 tanks and my flat cars with tractors, and then there's the caboose. Now, I don't think I've ever shared this engine with you. This is a Hillcrest Lumber PS2 MTH Premier locomotive. I saw this in one of the videos that they made featuring 4 layouts. It's like an older video. And once I saw it running on a guy's layout, I had to hunt down one and buy it. So there's also an MTH Premier UP 3 truck shay working its way around the track. Again, I have all the sounds turned off or it will be far too loud, and the smoke units or you wouldn't even be able to see. So we'll get around to turning all that stuff on. So look at that. There's a great video of a real Climax shay, the real Hillcrest Lumber number 10 on YouTube that you can see it running, and it looks very identical to this. So that has 12 Hillcrest Lumber flat cars with log loads behind it. They're sequential. So the first set of 6, then there's a second set of 6. Then you can buy the caboose. You could buy it in the MTH Premier set with skeleton cars if you wanted to get it that way. All right, so let's get some of our sounds going here. So we'll start with the Niagara. And I'm not going to turn them up full blast. Now we're going to get in big trouble, because we're going to turn on the smokes. Back to speed 10. And let's turn on the Climax shay smoke and sound. All that smoke. some YouTube on some classic New York Central trains and their history, and running some trains. So until next time, I will talk to you later.